This week, we're meeting up with new friends and heading out on an adventure.
That is pretty cool.
But with it being mid-August, finding a campsite might be a challenge. And the weather? Well, this might be another typical BackRoad Journals camp. Let's see where we end up.
Welcome back to another summer with BackRoad Journals on Vancouver Island.
You want it to rain? Just ask us.
We are back on Vancouver Island, and this is our first trip since we returned from our Kootenay to Caribou adventure. And since we've been back, we've had two wildfires close to Port Alberni, and one is the Wesley Ridge fire, which started shortly after we got there, and then we had the big one, the Underwood fire, which is the big one and a little bit more concerning. So everything is under control at this point as we're leaving. It's just still very smoky at home, and we thought we're gonna take this opportunity and drive out for a day further up North Island, where we also met up with Mitch and Jean from Voyager Overland. They made their way all the way over from Alberta and exploring the island. And now we are trying to find camp. Let's hope that's going to work out, because it is August after all, and it is pretty busy on the island. So fingers crossed we're going to find something. We'll see you there. See them anymore. There they are. I'm not sure if you can see that, but there's a big herd of elk up over there. Can't zoom in far enough. Going up the mountain. That is pretty cool.
10 of them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 11, I think.
11?
11, yeah. That is pretty cool. Welcome back to another summer with BackRoad Journals on Vancouver Island.
You want it to rain? Just ask us. And we'll make it happen.
We'll make it happen for you. Anyways, we found this beautiful spot, and we're going to show you around later. Again, we're going to just set up. We already got the gazebo set up here right now real quick, so that we all have a nice place to sit and stay dry. Fire ban in effect, so no fire.
Nope.
But we'll catch up with you later. Time to set up the tent.
See you in a bit.
Okay guys, that rain has not let up at all since we got here. So, and it's not that we don't need the rain, and I don't know, I'm gonna step outside the gazebo here for a moment, because it is actually very beautiful out here. It's very moody, but the rain really has us pretty cold and damp. So I think for today, what we're gonna do, we're gonna hang out underneath the gazebo, gonna make a quick dinner, and probably disappear really quick for the day. See how that's gonna go. It's actually getting stronger as we speak at the moment. So, Michelle,
Yeah.
how are you feeling over there?
I am cold. Honestly, we haven't had rain like this since the springtime. And I was not expecting it, so I didn't pack properly. It's my fault. I do have many layers. And it's actually wet all the way through because this rain jacket is not doing its business, so.
Yeah, no, it's getting very cold, so I think we are going to call this one a night right now.
Yeah.
And we'll see you again tomorrow morning. This is
It's supposed to be nicer tomorrow.
It's supposed to be nicer tomorrow, and hopefully,
Leaving.
and hopefully we can show you around a little bit more tomorrow. I think Mitch and Jean over there, they're making dinner over there right now. And yeah, you can actually hear it getting louder right now with what's coming down onto the gazebo. So, guys, that it is. That's it for today. We'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. We'll try to stay as dry as possible. I hope we're not going to get floated away here. But for tonight, we're going to call it. We'll see you tomorrow morning. Good morning. Well, did we ever get soaked last night? Or yesterday altogether? Man, oh man. We haven't had rain like that in a long time. And of course, our first camp back on Vancouver Island in a long time. And we've got your typical BackRoad journals weather. Anyways, today looks like it's clearing up. It's a beautiful morning. It's about, I don't know, 8:30 right now, something like that. Beautiful morning, very quiet. I think we're gonna start a coffee here pretty quick, and then see where the day's gonna take us. Such a beautiful, peaceful place here.
Well, it's time to pack up. Now that it's sunny, we have to go. I think we'll have some drying out to do when we get home. We kind of have a flooded annex. How's it going in there?
It is, it's a little kiddie pool in here. Check this out. Super deep puddle.
I know, you can wash up in there.
Yeah.
Wash your face, wash your hands.
I think we're going to take out the floor and dry it out as much as possible before we get out.
All right.
Got some drying out to do at home.
We do.
Oh, I'm so glad to be back on the island. Drying everything out, so camp looks a little bit like a mess at the point, but this out here, that's the floor of the annex, that's the cover for the tent, and then we have the actual annex over there to dry out as much as possible before we pack up the tent right there, which the sun's coming down right now, so hopefully it's going to dry out at least a little bit, but I think we still have to unpack it again at home. Oh well, it's all part of it. We're all packed up, ready to go. Things dried out just a little bit before we head back onto the road, but we'll still have to unfold it once we're back home.
Yeah.
In the meantime, it's time to say goodbye to Mitch and Jean from Voyager Overland. Guys, it was a real pleasure meeting you guys. That was a lot of fun. And for everyone else who needs some inspiration traveling through Alberta, check out Voyager Overland over on the YouTube. And I promise you'll enjoy the content. Anyways, we'll say goodbye for now.
Bye. Bye.
Goodbye. We'll see you next time. Oh, before we leave, just about to get in the car.
Oh, look at him.
We got a duck. Nice.
You've been ducked.
And if you need the YouTube handle, it's right there. Check them out, guys. Do you want to go back Watts Way?
Yeah, do you know how to?